this close to full porting sells on gold, and I am so glad that I did it. I haven't traded gold in 4 years, and this is going to be the week where I'm gonna full port that shit. Let me explain. Gold right now, despite this massive bullish push to the upside, it is simply overdue a retracement. If you look here at the actual price action, which is market structure, this has broken above the structure and is yet to come back and retest it. I'm not saying gold's going to make it to 3,500, but in order for this to continue to go into the upside, according to structure, it needs a proper retest to continue to go to the upside. So right now, the weekly time frame has shown a sign of slowdown. And when you go down to the daily time frame, whether you believe it or not, this is a potential head and shoulders that is currently cooking up. Left head, right shoulder, we have shifted structure. This was the higher low. This was the higher high. We broke below the higher low, and now we are retesting this 4-hour area of interest. I'm not a big fan of 4 hours of interest, but it's been respected once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, and potentially a 7th time. Whenever we're below, we sell. Whenever we're above, we buy. And right now we are accumulating below this area. So I almost entered sells earlier this morning, right around here after this 1 hour bearish engulfing candlestick. My stop loss is something like this. I would still technically be in the position, but would have been unnecessary drawdown. So what I'm going to be waiting for right now is for price to break this neckline of this head and shoulders, and then I'm going to enter on the impulse of these sells to the downside. These are pretty big take profits, but I'm trading this as a currency pair as we speak, and I'm going to be targeting these lows for this week. Now, I think I've only traded gold 4 or 5 times in my whole entire trading career. And I think that this is going to be the first proper trade that I can actually make it make sense, because there's actual data to the left. We trade gold, they trade at all-time highs. There's no data. Here there's data to sell off of this resistance, get out at the support. So I'm pretty excited, and let's see what happens. Ported sells on gold, and I am up $137,000. Oh, he can only trade forex. He can never trade gold or commodities or Binga! It's all the same shit. If I have my perfect trade list, I could trade fucking anything. And I shared it here with you guys yesterday on Instagram. Let me break it down. Oh shit, it's plummeting as we speak. Oh shit, it's plummeting as we speak. I'm up $150,000. I said yesterday, we are breaking and retesting this neckline of the head and shoulders. Technically, you guys could have entered yesterday, but I waited for this retest. This was out of session, waited for the extra confirmation, bearish engulfing evening star from the EMA and this area of interest below the round psychological level, and beautiful sell-off. All my ICT traders, oh, you can't trade this, Binga. If I have my perfect trade checklist, I could trade anything. Simple. So I'm going to enjoy my profits. And next time around, I'm going to be a bit more aggressive. I was too conservative because it was my first time trading gold. So I'm excited for adding gold to my watch list every single week.